You're welcome to today's session. Yeah, just as I said, a guitar has got 7 chords or 7 keys. In fact, in music we have 7 keys, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's all. Then today I'm going to talk about how to play the major C chord. Yeah, the major C chord. Major C chord has 3 keys that you need to know. One is C, 2 is F, and G. C, this is C. F, this is F. G, this is G. Now, let me show you how to play the C. For you to play C major or C open, you need to place your index finger on the first fret or the first note of your guitar. Then you place on the second string. That's where you place on the second string, just like this. And then your middle finger, you have to place it on string number 4, fret number 2. String number 4, fret number 2, just like that. And then the pointing finger, you place it on string number 5, fret number 3, just like that. When you do this, then you have placed on a C chord, C major chord or C open. You place on the first fret string number 2, second fret string number 4, then third fret string number 5. Then that's your sound. That's the sound you produce. Then from there, the progression, then I said it has 3 chords, which is C, F, and G. So this is C. F is you place on string number 2 on first fret, string number 2. So you maintain your index finger where it was, and then string you place on string number 3, fret number 2, just like that. And then the third finger you place on string number 4, fret number 3. When you do that, mean you have played F open, yeah, and F major. Yes. Then from there we have G. How to play G? Your first finger or your index finger, you are going to move 3 steps from F. 3 steps mean 1, 2, 3. So meaning your index finger will place on string number 2, fret number 3, just like that. And then your middle finger, you place it on string number 3, fret number 4, like this. And then your ring finger have to place it on string number 4, fret number 5, or number 5, fret number 5, meaning you have played G. Yes, this is how it's supposed to sound like. So I said C, then F, then G. C, F, G.